SOA XMP practice question 78. A health insurance policy has a deductible of 2 and a maximum claim payment of 8. Medical expense amounts follow an exponential distribution with mean 5. Calculate the expected claim payment made for a medical expense. Let's take a look at the solution. Let X be the expense amount and let Y be the claim payment. The expense amount X follows an exponential distribution with mean 5, and here we have the corresponding PDF of X, and then the PDF of Y. Due to the deductible of 2, if the expense amount is less than 2, the claim payment is 0. And if the expense amount is between 2 and 10, the claim payment is the expense amount less 2, which is X minus 2. And then if the expense amount is greater than or equals 10, due to the maximum claim payment of 8, the claim payment is constant at 8. We need to compute the expected claim payment. We have the expected value for Y equals, we have the first term corresponds to the expression X minus 2. So we have the integral from X equals 2 to X equals 10, and then X minus 2 times the PDF of X dx. And then the second term, when the claim payment is constant at 8, which corresponds to the expense amount from 10 to infinity. So we have the second term. To compute the first term, we apply the integration by parts. And here I use the tabular method to do the integration by part. The left column, I do successive differentiation with the function X minus 2. And then the right column, I do successive integration with the expression 1 over 5 times e to the power minus x over 5. The left column, the derivative of x minus 2, I get 1. And then I perform one more differentiation until I reach 0 here. And then on the right-hand side, I do integration. So the integration of 1/5 times e to the power minus x over 5, I get minus e to the power minus x over 5. And then one more integration, I get 5 times e to the power minus x over 5. And then cross multiply. And then I get the expression using the integration by parts. X minus 2 times minus e to the power minus x over 5 times positive 1. And then the second term, 1 times 5 times e to the power minus x over 5 times negative 1. And then the second term, this is the standard integration with an exponential function. Evaluate the expression by substituting the upper limits and the lower limits. The first term, we get minus 8 times e to the power minus 2. And then the second term here, we get this expression. And then the last term, 8 times e to the power minus 2. Upon calculation, we get 2.6749. This is the expected claim payment made for medical expenses.